Hi there, today we're gonna talk about the row ridger. This is a small tool for those who don't want to use any tillers, and it's better instead of a hoe when you have soft soil or sandy soil. We just pull it perpendicular and will form a row depending on the soft of the soil and depending the size of the ridger. Therefore, the row ridger can be used to open the soil to make some seeds in, or we can use it as a ridger. So we pull the soil from both sides and we can plant strawberries on top. And therefore we have formed a ridge. There are various sizes. They can be found everywhere, from online to shops, and this can work in most soils. Usually sandy soils, loamy soils, but not in hard clay soils. This is easy, just if you don't want to get out the tiller. It's an easy job and works fine. Obviously, when we start using it, it won't remain red. It will start to polish itself with the abrasion and the friction caused by the soil and the rocks. So here we can see how it works. And therefore that's an easy job. We didn't take much. If we have a string, we can work even better in a straight line. And therefore I recommend this tool for those who have small gardens. We don't expect farmers who have lots of acres to use this method, because that would take them a full year to reach the whole field. This is for those who have small gardens, who love to work their own patch. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.